up warm, find your favorite pub, and hang out. Busy weekend for the Arena District at High and Goodale. You can see the streets have dried out now, so High Street looking pretty good. And the same thing not far away over at I-670 near Cleveland. Dry roads there. The wind is helping with some evaporation there. The clearing is still way out to our west in Illinois, but it is slowly coming our way. We've been pushing the rain out of Ohio in the last few hours, so the wind is helping to dry things out, but it's also creating some pretty good wind chills. Here's your time lapse for the day, staying pretty cloudy, mainly gray. Every once in a while, we're getting just a little bit of sunshine trying to get through, but overall, it's been a pretty gray St. Patrick's Day. Still cloudy and 36 at the airport, but here you go. The wind chill now down to 25 degrees because the wind is out of the northwest and west at 21 miles per hour. 36 degrees in Columbus, 40 in Cleveland. Look at this pool of cold air off to the northwest. This is going to move down this way during the weekend, and we are in for some pretty chilly air. So your Atlas Butler current conditions right now in Marion are at 36, Marysville at 34, Newark at 37, but look at the wind speeds. And these are not the gusts. This is the sustained wind. 13 miles an hour in Lancaster, 14 in Newark, 16 in Mount Vernon, but almost 20 in London, and that's creating wind chills that get down into the low 20s in some areas. And overnight tonight, that's going to feel really cold, like it's in the teens, even low teens at times. We'll see a few breaks in the clouds during the night tonight. It's going to be mostly cloudy to start with, and then some clearing happens. Some of those clouds will come back again during the day on Saturday. But plan on partly to mostly cloudy skies for the next few hours. Temperatures hovering in the mid-30s, and then overnight is when it's going to get really cold, with temperatures in a lot of places in the 20s, and you'll find wind chills in the teens by early tomorrow morning. So Columbus in town, 25 degrees. Outside of the outer belt, you're likely to be 20 or colder, and we may see a flurry or two overnight tonight. Those are going to continue on Saturday, but cold and windy. It's feeling like winter out there tonight. The wind is coming out of the west and northwest, and we might get a flurry or two. Same thing on Saturday. It's cold and windy. The wind chills will be in the 20s even during the day, even with more sunshine. But then on Sunday, we do warm up a little bit. The wind will change direction. So once it's coming out of the southwest, that will help us warm up a little bit. Wind gusts tomorrow, 25 to 30 plus miles per hour. So as you can imagine, with temperatures that are only in the 30s, that is going to make it feel like it's in the 20s for sure. Then we start a warm up. As we get into the middle of next week, it actually becomes spring and starts to feel a little bit more like it. So the last couple of days of winter are definitely going to feel like January. 34 tomorrow, 37 on Sunday with gusty winds. Monday, spring begins. We'll get to 47, and we're in the 50s Tuesday and Wednesday, 60s Thursday and Friday.